Good evening, class.
Good evening, madam.
I hope you are all good as I am. And before we start, I'm going to take the roll call. We have Gladys Debor.
Present.
Aisha Isaac.
Present.
Shilomi Bethlehem.
Present.
Colin Sati.
Present.
Rose.
Present.
Crispin Gay.
Present.
Okay, so we will continue from here. After taking the roll call, we are going to go straight to whatever we learned in our previous class. So who can remind us what we learned in our previous class? Today is 26th. Yes, Shilomi, what did we learn in our previous class?
On our previous class, we learned components of network.
Okay, components of network. What did we say components of network are? One example. Gladys?
We have the routers.
Yeah, routers. Aisha?
Hub.
Hubs.
Bridges.
Shilomi? Bridges. Rose?
Cables.
Cables. Collins?
Routers.
Routers. There are very many components of a network. We have NIC.
Yeah.
We have gateways, switches. There are many. So today we are going to be very brief, and we will go straight to what we are going to cover today. And it is, our topic today is network types. Network types. Under network types, we have the learning outcomes. Whatever I expect you to know by the end of this session. So by the end of this session, I'll expect you to be able to identify the different types of networks. That is our learning outcome number one. You should be able to know the different types of network types. Yeah, there are many, and that is what I expect you to know. And again, you'll be able to differentiate those types of the networks. So I'll expect you to know the difference between those networks. That is it. So right now we are going to look at the different types of networks. And we have three main types of networks. I'm going to list them. We have a local area network. This is number one, local area network, which is abbreviated as LAN. Who knows another type of? Yes, Aisha?
We have MAN.
We have MAN. What do you mean by MAN?
Metropolitan Area Network.
Metropolitan Area Network, which is MAN. Anybody who knows another? Yes, Collins?
We have PAN.
We have PAN. This is personal area net, abbreviated as PAN. Another one? Gladys?
We have the wide area network.
We have one, which is the wide area network. And lastly, there are 5 or even 6. There are 5, right?
GAN.
We have one that is GAN. This is the global area network. So when you look at these networks, we have the main ones and the others. So the main ones are 3. We have 3 main ones. That is LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN, MAN, and WAN. So we've realized that LAN is one of the main one, together with man and one. It is this way, it is in order. We start from LAN, then man, then one, from the smallest to a bit larger one. Although we have this global one, which is a bit larger, it covers a big area. So, having known that, we have the difference between LAN and one. The difference between this one, LAN and one. I want us to look at those differences. Now that we've said, I'm sure you've noted one of the difference. And let me just draw it here, LAN and one. We want to see the difference between LAN and one. Who can tell us one difference that I've just mentioned? Yes, Bethlehem?
In LAN,
Yeah?
it is connected in an institution or offices.
Yeah?
But in one, since it's a wide area network,
Yeah?
it covers a city, a large area.
Yeah,
So
sure.
the difference is in size on how it covers.
Yeah, so LAN covers a small geographical area. This one is small, but this one is a bit large. A bit large area. Let me just call it large. It covers small area. Another difference, who can tell us another difference of LAN and one? Does anyone know? Aisha?
For LAN,
Yeah?
it transmits data at high speed
Yes?
because it covers a small distance.
Yeah?
And for one, it transmits data at a lower speed because of the large distance.
Exactly. So LAN covers a small geographical area, and in that case, it transmits data at a high speed. This one you have high speed, and this one is a bit low speed because it covers a larger area. What other difference? Yes, Gladys?
The LAN is less costly
Yeah?
and the wide area network is high.
Why is it less costly? Why is LAN less costly?
Because it covers a smaller.
Yeah, this one is less costly because it can even cover only a school, an institution. But when you look at this, it is a bit costly. This one is costly because it covers a huge area, a bit larger area. Yeah, so that is what we've learned today, the difference between LAN and MAN. I'll expect you by the end of this session to have known the difference between LAN and WAN, and I'll be setting a cut on this, and I'll expect you to distinguish these networks, and you can even draw them in your books. I'm giving you as an assignment. You go and look at, you realize that you have not looked at MAN. So it's your assignment today that you go look at MAN and ensure that you know its difference and distinguish it from the other networks. So that was all for today. I wish you a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.